Megastro, our channel partner, launched a new product. But unlike the previous product, this one is a wooden laptop stand. They're calling it the Duo Lift and it has two functionalities. Let's take a closer look. They sent me two units. One of them is for a smaller laptop and other one is for a larger one. I haven't seen it before, so let's take a look. I like the new packaging, made with love in India. And the MRP is much lower on the website, obviously. You'll find the link in the description. It comes disassembled and you have to kind of assemble it yourself. It's pretty simple. It's kind of like those DIY things. And yes, there's a cable protector included as well. Okay, let's see here. Lay it flat, put those pole thingies in the holes. That's what she said. And that's it. Let's also take a look at the larger version. Let's see if there is any difference. The footprint seems pretty similar to this smaller unit, although that wooden pole is of longer length here. So I guess the width between those two standoffs would be more, that makes sense. All the wooden pieces are like very good quality. They don't have any cracks or chinks or anything. They have been very well polished. I like it. So far so good. Let's align them and put these things through. Now Megastro mentioned that these are made from locally sourced wood, which is really great. They are natively made in India and they actually went through a lot of iterations to make sure they have a really good fit. So after testing, they made those holes smaller than those wooden standoffs so that when you push the standoffs in, they would fit well and remain tight. Otherwise, they would loosen up over time due to heat and all that. So they have put a lot of thought behind this. Initial setup would be a little inconvenient because you really have to put a lot of pressure. In fact, they suggest in their manual that you have to push hard. Okay. But once you align these and make sure that those wooden sticks are like as flush as you can get them, it's impressively sturdy after that. Well, I guess it's not that big of a surprise. It is wood after all. But I think a small rubber mallet would be a better choice to kind of assemble this the first time instead of smashing it with your fists the way I did. Yeah, do as I say, not as I do. Anyway, once I've assembled it, you can see it looks pretty clean. It looks very interesting on the desk. Now this is one orientation where you can keep the laptop flat on it at an inclination. And I like the height, it's really good. It holds up my giant 16-inch laptop without any issues. Obviously, there is no wobble because it's wood and it's very sturdy. It's meant to be stationary at your desk, so it's not designed for portability as such, and that decision allowed them to make a much more sturdy design. You can easily use it without any issues, and you can see there's plenty of room for airflow as well. The entire bottom section is open, allowing your laptop's vent to be properly exposed and breathe easily. And in my case, it perfectly aligns with that extra rubber feet that the laptop has, giving it even more of an inclination. Of course, that's not the only orientation. This is called the Duo Lift for a reason. You can lift it up like this, keep it vertically, and align your laptop in the groove. So this is kind of a space-saving design where you can, disable sleep on your laptop, insert it like this vertically, and just maybe plug in one HDMI or USB-C cable, plug it into a monitor and do your work from there. Many people use their machines like that, and this is an interesting way to prop up your laptop, giving it enough room to properly have airflow. I don't usually use it like this. For now, I use my laptop screen as a small second monitor. So for me, the first orientation is better, but hey, it's good to have this option. And I'm genuinely surprised how sturdy this is even upright. Despite holding a pretty heavy metal laptop like mine, it's not wobbling or moving around. They really have put a lot of thought behind this design. Well done, Megastro. In fact, this product is so sturdy that for me, even though I have a 16-inch laptop, the 13-inch stand is just fine. So since my desk is not that wide, I'll use the 13-inch version for my desk because it can hold my laptop in both flat and upright orientations, which means I have this 15-inch version lying around which I may not immediately use. So you know what that means? You can get this. It's literally brand new and I'm giving it away to one of you. So just leave a comment on this video if you want this. Just tell me why you want it, how it'll benefit your current setup, and I'll pick a winner based on my preference. Yes, I'm done with lucky draws because it attracts a lot of people who are not really interested. They just want a free product. So just tell me a meaningful reason in the comments and I'll pick based on my preference. We'll let the giveaway run for about 1 week and then I'll pick a winner and maybe pin their comment or announce them in the community post, whatever. You'll know. Even if you don't win the giveaway, you can still buy this and get 10% off using the code HPGeek10, same as last time. It doesn't have the same dense wooden smell that it usually has. I like that, but this is made of rubber wood and I guess eventually over the process of making it, it loses the wooden smell maybe. I wonder if we could put some sort of a, wooden oil or something on it to make it darker. I have spoken with Megastro about that. They say they'll try and make even a darker shade of this. That might look even cooler, but yeah, this is what we have for now. I'll try and make more giveaways happen, but yeah, those giveaways will be done very differently. We'll not be doing those lucky draws anymore. So if you're just commenting hoping to win something, don't do that. I'll be picking winners myself, because why not? It's my channel, I'm putting a lot of effort into this. I feel like I should be able to pick winners that are most engaged with my videos, don't you? So spoiler alert, I may pick winners in the comments who are most commonly seen in my comment section, those who engage with my videos regardless of any rewards or prizes. Give me some time, I'll figure this out and balance everything, but for now, check the links in the description and comment for a chance to win. Thanks again to Megastro for sending out these units. These are pretty cool.